this one Monkey go market. You no go come back. And this hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, this one and this topic be today. Again, one video where somebody just sent to me when I see. But now about 3 topics now we'll talk about today. The video, the woman in naked they fight for her side. Like the man carry him a night not pay. Now you want to show the man say I be really today na today for me with you. We go fight her. I'll never share anything. But now see something sometimes you go shock lies. If you see the way this woman they drag the man. Come see where woman they beat the man. They beat the man. Say the man must give him a money complete. He must give him a money complete. See, they drag him. The man they beg. They drag him for outside. People they video him. The woman not the woman they naked, complete naked. Like seriously. Like seriously, really. Even though say you can't be really does it mean say you don't go comfy evil get shame again? So I'm shame and disgrace now. And this one be shame and disgrace. This woman just naked. They say today na today we go drag her. We go today you must give me my money. Like seriously, my people. Like seriously, really. Africa people more they shame. Make shame don't na sometimes. This woman the way I tell you don't even get picking. You know the evil shame just naked. They drag man for our side. Like seriously, really. Like seriously, That is I don't just understand the way some women say they behave, What did they enter now? If you can't be you know, can't use brain again. Sense no can't deal with you again. When you can't just do anything where you like. When you just they drag the man, they drag and then they even they hold you, you say a lie. You say a lie, you go do anything where you like. That is some women make shame don't make shame. That man not naked. Now you naked. Now your nakedness for everywhere now. Your nakedness they everywhere. How you want if you that's in even though shame not that you are at that moment. When you go see the video later, you go shocked her lies. You go shame, my dear. You go shame. I don't lie. You go shame. You go shame. Even though say shame not that you are at that moment, but shame must catch you later. You see now. So my people, that video if you need that, if you tell me, man, send I give una see. I don't feel put the video for you for YouTube. If I put on that, I don't break the rules for YouTube. So that don't be that one more go straight to another news. No time. One woman for Ghana, the pikin they do birthday. So na birthday, small pikin. That pikin maybe that kind 10 years or 9 years. They do birthday. Now the mama say, now a nakedness, he want to surprise the pikin. He naked for a pikin in front, they begin the torture. Come the surprise her. Which kind of birthday present can still be this for my people? That one I see birthday present again. You naked for where your pikin dey. They show your nakedness. I don't understand. That one I child abuse now. How you go do that kind of thing to your own pikin? So you want show am. If I see the girl body, you just naked finish or you pikin. So what you guys make your pikin they look for your body, make your pikin they look your nakedness as in. I don't understand. As in what do you want preach for her? What do you want tell her? Which kind of play be that one? As in, I don't understand. There are some kind of expensive play really. As in, which kind of play can be that one now? When you can't just open your bekus, open your body, make your pikin they look you. And pikin will not grow like that. What do you want show am? Now that one you want to take popular now. Yeah. When I go just look for one crazy thing one want to do one take popular. After all, you know sir naked the take popular. So you want to do your own now, make you take popular. Now nakedness is going to the popular. Now me I no understand though my people. Me no understand. Now nakedness is going to the popular now. Me no can understand what's going to happen again for this world really. I don't really understand. Eh? This woman just open but this and I want to surprise the pikin. Like seriously? Eh? Hey, you just say you want popular. You want popular because the way our sister take do Madam Metinosa. Now they give una the moral all of now want to do now. So maybe ever since now nobody they hear from you. Nobody knows you. So you want to do your own now, everybody can see our guests see they I be waiting. My people. This waiting on the apple for this world now. I don't really understand whether the world is coming to an end, whether as in whether I say they okay, I don't know really. Because who they okay not go do this kind of thing? Where you they do so? Who they okay not go do one? Eh? Who they okay not go do one? Like seriously, really, my people. Now the matter where they grand oh, now be this one today oh. Eh? The matter where they grand, now be this one. Purity, will you stop that? Eh? The matter where they grand. What did this girl do not go to naked for where you're picking? They begin to show your people. They show your body. Now don't come to tell the surprise picking for birthday now. Now I be the present when they get for a picking. To naked. Hey, oh, there were local government will hear this oh. They will hear this one oh because what's it called the apple now? It don't pass Jeremy oh. It don't pass Jeremy really. It don't pass. Eh? My people, I tell now 3 topics today oh. So now number 2. The number 3 again. One elderly woman wey work, no let am go work. He begin to show make us. The Oyibo one jogodo with am. Elderly woman. Wey shame not the eye. The jogodo Oyibo. Another Oyibo the video ram. My people. Hey! What's it gonna happen now? Only God oh, then go help us. Only God then go help us really. Only God. Eh? I don't just understand what's gonna happen now. Really, eh? She the jogodo Oyibo elderly woman. Work, not let her go work. So normal job would not fit do again. Now only just to the jogodo Oyibo. Na una know. Now na go fit do. Una not fit work again. Work una not fit do again. Eh? She dey do another about the video them. Whether she not know or she know they pay and put to me and not know. Under Ibo. Now the video don't go viral now. The video don't there everywhere now. How you go reason yourself now? How you go reason yourself now? So not be shame and disgrace. That video not go viral. Nigeria said the Odosian. Whether you be Nigeria self, I don't even know. My people. What's going to happen? I don't understand though. Really? See the other one now. That one the jogodo, another man, the husband can't cash am. The husband can't cash am. She did that they cry. Cry not go solve this one for you. Your husband cassava not reach you. I be no understand. Your husband cassava not reach you. That was a bit like saying for that they speak French. She they cried there. She not let her show her face. The Okashan red handed, they just claim the man. Red handed. She just saying I set up. Maybe the man don't suspect and since. Cannot hear what they speak French. They cry there, they beg. I don't wait so if marriage tire una not fit go. Then when you the man ask from there, they go they cheat on her. Marriage tire, you everybody carry tire go one corner. But now will not be like that. Una will see there begin to cheat on the men. Like seriously, really. Eh? What did they happen to now? What did they play for now? Everybody goes, what did they play? What did they play for now? Our ladies, one of they use on HQ. One of they use on HQ, really. See that one, I want surprise the picking for birthday. Not to naked for where picking day. Now be the birthday with present. And wow, God pass you now. God pass you now, really. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your friend, your sister, your everything. You can leave your comment for the comment section. Anything what you think about these videos. What all those ladies they do, so whether I go to you on a bad thing, just leave your comment. Because this one a shame and disgrace. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye. Thumbs up for me.